This jollof spaghetti must make it to your dinner table this holiday season. Here is how you can make yours. Heat up some oil in a pan and then stir fry some onions, garlic and pepper in it for a few seconds or until it is nice and fragrant. Add some tomato paste and some freshly blended tomato and tatashe. Mix everything together to combine. My star ingredient for this recipe is of course the Onga stew seasoning, which I got from the multivariant Jolly pack that also contains some Onga curry powder and the chicken seasoning as well. Pour in the stew seasoning and then the curry powder as well, along with some thyme and paprika powder and some salt to taste. Mix everything together to combine, cover and leave this to fry for about 8 to 10 minutes or until it is perfectly fried. Afterwards, it's time to add the cooked pasta. Add it up into the pot and then mix everything to combine, ensuring that each pasta strand is thoroughly coated in the tomato sauce. Cover and leave to cook for a final 3 minutes, then take it off the heat and serve with some fried beef and plantains. Happy holidays!